In the world of digital marketing, a website's SEO is the secret sauce for online success. A digital marketing and SEO specialist knows that optimizing a site goes beyond just keywords. It's about creating engaging content that resonates with the audience while ensuring the site loads quickly and is mobile-friendly. Technical SEO is crucial too. Think clean URLs, proper meta tags, and structured data. These elements help search engines understand the site better. Link building is another key aspect. Quality backlinks from reputable sites can boost credibility and rankings. Regular audits keep the website in top shape, identifying issues that could hurt visibility. Analytics play a big role as well. Tracking user behavior helps refine strategies and improve user experience. In a nutshell, a digital marketing and SEO specialist crafts a comprehensive approach, blending creativity with technical know-how to elevate a website's presence in the digital landscape.